Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and happy holidays as we focus on these holidays. You already know what we got to do. We got to make an absolutely delicious Thanksgiving Christmas dinner, right? So today we're going to be making some absolutely delicious smoked mac and cheese to go along with that smoked turkey and all those fixings. So I'm gonna get you in the game and let's focus on this recipe. All right, fam, so here's my wood of choice right here. I'm rolling with the hickory mini logs and then my lump charcoal to give me a nice little charcoal bed. This is a combination of oak and hickory, so this is a Cowboy brand. And no, I'm not sponsored by any of these brands here, but again, we got to get this fire going. So once we get that smoker up to temp, hey, we're gonna have some nice flavor. All right, fam, it is Thanksgiving and we're gonna make this cheese sauce. Is going in with a half a stick of butter or 4 tablespoons. Once that butter is melted, we're going in with our flour, 3 tablespoons of flour, and we're gonna let this cook for a little bit. This sauce is super simple to make, and I'm gonna tell you, any holiday, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, any gathering that you want to do, and it don't have to be holidays for them, this right here gonna have you in the game. And you want to keep this butter and this flour moving. You don't want to burn it. You just want to toast it slightly just to get that flour taste out of it. And then you'll notice this flour and this butter starting to thicken up. That's where you want it, and then you can start adding the rest of your ingredients. Now, fam, I'm going in with my milk first. And at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings, which I got some garlic powder, I got some onion powder, I got some Cajun seasoning, I got some black pepper, and I'm gonna tell you, fam, the combination of those seasonings right there will have your mac and cheese in the game. We're gonna add a couple dollops of cream cheese, or sour cream, I'm sorry. We're gonna add a couple of dollops of sour cream, and then we got 4 ounces of cream cheese. And then we'll get everything combined, let everything work itself out. And we're well on our way to an amazing mac and cheese sauce. And at this time right here, while you're working on that sauce, go ahead and put your elbow mac in that water, your salted water or your chicken broth. You know, if you want to take your mac and cheese to another level, hey, cook that elbow mac in some chicken broth. So we'll let all of these ingredients marinate, and then we'll come back and finish the sauce. Hey fam, we got 2 heaping piles of cheese, Monterey Jack and sharp cheddar. Hey, let's get this in that sauce. We're gonna be in no particular order. You can add your cheese. I'm going in with the sharp cheese first, and like I said, no particular order. We just want to get it melted. Got that Monterey Jack. Also, this is almost like a mozzarella cheese, so a nice soft cheese. Then we're gonna get everything mixed and let this thing melt. And the grated cheese is the best cheese to use with this because it melts really quick. And as you can see right there, took no time to melt. So you'll be in the absolute game, fam. We're gonna add a little bit more cheese. And then we're gonna save some back. As we focus on Thanksgiving and the holidays, fam, it's all about that dinner table, and you want an absolutely all-star cast. And this right here, hey, it's gonna be in the game. And this is the consistency that you want for that cheese sauce right there. Hey, you in the game. Now, with this said, if you want an absolutely delicious turkey, hey, click that card on the screen right there. I got you in the game in half the time with the spatchcock turkey. But right now we're gonna focus on this delicious mac and cheese. Hey, we got that elbow mac ready to go. Now we're gonna pour this cheese sauce on top of it like so. And no cheese sauce left behind. Get into that pan and get all that cheese sauce out of there. And then fam, we'll give everything a mix. Yes sir, we in the game. Hey, so fam, we're gonna go to the smoker. We're gonna go 275 degrees. I wanna make sure we get some nice smoke on this mac and cheese. And we're gonna be in the game. So this is our pan of choice. We're gonna go with a 4 pan. You know, we're going in that smoker, so we don't wanna, you know what I'm saying, mess up any of our nice cooking pans, right? We're gonna be getting that smoke in it, and we're gonna be in the game. And again, fam, get that spatula and make sure nothing is left behind. No cheese sauce left behind, no pasta left behind, no elbow mac left behind, nothing left behind, fam. All right, fam, this smoker is up to temp 275 degrees. So here we go. We're gonna put this bad boy on here. We got that nice mac and cheese right there. Gonna sit it on the smoker, and we're gonna let this bad boy roll out. All right, fam, so we're about 15 minutes into the smoke. And what we wanna do is we wanna get in here and get this mac and cheese mixed so we can mix that smokiness in. And we're gonna let this roll for another 15. And we'll top it off with some cheese, and we'll be in the game, fam. All right, fam, so for the last 15 minutes of this smoke, and look at that right there, fam. You see those cheese bubbling. Hey, we in the game, fams. We wanna take the rest of our remaining cheese, and we're gonna place it on the top of this mac and cheese. All right, fam, we're gonna pop that top back down, because if you're cooking, you ain't cooking. All right, fam, let's take a look at the smoked mac and cheese. Yes, sir, that's what we're looking for right there. So we're gonna remove this mac and cheese, bring it into the house, and we're gonna be in the game, fam. There you have it. You got your absolutely delicious smoked mac and cheese, and let's get us a nice little scoop of this. Yes sir, look at that. That's what you want right there. So fam, look at that right there. Nice, cheesy, creamy, smoked mac and cheese. Hey, you in the game, fam. All right, fam, you already know we gotta get us a taste test, and look at that right there. Hey, I'm gonna wrap that cheese around, and happy holidays and happy Thanksgiving. Cheers, fam. Now that right there, that is absolutely delicious. Got a nice little smoky flavor to it. It's cheesy, and you already see it right there. Nice and cheesy. Your Thanksgiving is gonna be on point. That's amazing, fam. Hey, if you're new to the channel and you like this content, hey, go ahead, smash that like button. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you know when I release my content. Now, for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.